Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Aero Model Association. We're gonna take out the L-19. I think it's an L-19 bird dog. And this is from VMAR, manufacturer, sold by Heli Direct. And just a nice little plane. It really is. All right. I mean, she's not a rocket ship by any stretch of the imagination. But a nice, relaxing little flyer made of balsa and pine. This was, from what I understand, primarily used for a reconnaissance and small supply drop. I could be wrong about that. Probably would have been a male bird too. Male plane. It's a nice little park flyer made out of balsam pine. You can get it for $99.
Time remaining.
But that's just the kit though, okay? You'll have to fly all your own electronics and motor and all that kind of stuff. Servos. It's just the wood frame kit. Your hinges are already done for you. Whoa! That wasn't good. Didn't have any speed. I need to have a little more speed. Yeah. Anyways, now the landing gear is not real solid. I mean, it's just it's that chicken wire, but it still works. A little bit of a knife edge here. She really, I probably have her a little underpowered. But nice little flyer. The coating, the monocode or echo code or whatever it is that's covering around the balsa is really nice, very vibrant. Has some really good colors to it.
3 minutes.
And see if we can actually land her this time. There. That's better. Like with any tail dragger, what you want to do, get her up on deck to where the tail lifts off, and then you'll have a lot more control. Then let her take off then. But sometimes on a tail dragger, just be careful driving her. All right, let's get her turned around. I'm gonna take off one more time. Yeah, see, I let that tail come up. Work a little bit of rudder in your turn. Just a nice little relaxing, really no drama kind of plane. We definitely want to work rudder in your turn because she's not a speed demon. And you don't want to invite a tip stall. Here, we're going to land from the other direction this time. Now she will climb on you pretty good when you give her throttle. All right, this is going to be a dead stick landing. Not bad. Not bad. Definitely want to stay on your rudder when you're taking off, because she'll want to turn off to the left on you. This time we're going to come in Oh, and just so you know, the receiver I'm using is an AR-410 and 10-less receiver. Coming in about 8 throttle. All right. Got a minute. Got 1 minute left. Let's go ahead and
Time remaining. 1 minute.
take advantage of that. She'll climb right out of that. All right. Sweet flying little plane though. Sweet flying little plane. Coming in again about 8 throttle. Staying on my sticks. Keeping her level. Hey, ground loop. All right, folks, well, there you go. That is the VMAR brand. It's, or Checkmar, VMAR, whatever you want to call it. Motor off. Hobby King used to sell it. Now Heli Direct sells it, and they're an American company. They mainly do a lot of high-end EDFs and turbines, but they do carry their line of balsa plane, and that's the VMAR brand. Okay. She's $99 plus shipping. I think you can get it for like $100 altogether with taxes, about $137 in the United States, delivered to your door. Just get you some good electronics. You want to run her on a, you know, 1800 to a 2200 LiPo, goes in the belly. And the lights I've added, they're just the easy lights, Velcroed on. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And folks, don't forget, faith, family, and friends, them planes. Bye, y'all.